Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you how you can display number using array. In last video we sent code one by one and we display on the 7 segment display. That was the not very efficient technique, but using array that is efficient technique. Let's start the video. How to display number using array. Project description. In this project, I will show you how you can display number using array. Segment A to G of the display are connected with port C of the microcontroller through a 220 ohm current limiting resistor, and the microcontroller is operated from a 4 MHz crystal. Circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram. That is PIC 16887. Pin number 13 or 14 are interface with a 4 MHz crystal, and we are using 22 PF capacitor. Pin number 1 is master reset. We are using 10 kilo ohm resistor, and we are using one switch. Whenever we press the switch, microcontroller get restart. Here is the port C. Port C is interface with a 7 segment display, and we are using 220 ohm resistors, and we are using common and NOT type 7 segment display. We will provide a positive supply to a common pin, and we will give logic 0 to all pin via port C. Let's write circuit in Proteus, and after that we will test this circuit. Friends, circuit is ready. Now we will write its code in MPLAB. After that we will test this circuit. Friends, main file is ready. I already wrote a code, otherwise video get very long. I will copy this code and I will paste here. I will explain you the code. Here is the PIC 16887 bit configuration. Here is the XC header file. Here is PIC 16887 header file. Here we define a crystal frequency. We are using 4 MHz crystal. Here is the function of the delay. In function of the delay we are using unsigned char time. We can adjust time from this variable unsigned char code. Here we define a variable and we are using that variable in array. Here is the 10 code for the each digit. Here is the function of the main. In main function, first of all, we set the port C as the output port. After that, we assign an variable unsigned char. The name of the variable is num. After that, we clear the port C. We send 0xFF. We send that data to the port C. It will clear the all LEDs. Here is the while loop, that is endless loop. We are using variable num into a for loop. The initial value of the num is equal to a 10 and initial value is equal to a 10 and num is equal to a less than 0, and we are decrement the num. After that, we will send num into code. You can see here he can find the code. Initial value of the num is equal to a 10. He will find code into a array pattern and it will send that code to the port C, and it will take the delay. And next step, number will decrement. First it was 10, now it was number is 9 number will come here and it will find code from this array, send 9 to the port C, and it will display on the 7 segment display. And next step it become 8 and it will send num into the code, and code will find the data from this array and it will send that data to the port C, and it will display on the 7 segment display. At the end, we have a function of the delay. We are using two variable y and z, and we are using these two variable into a for loop, and we are creating some delay. In this project, it will count from 9 to 0. Now we will create its hex file. We will click on build main project. Hex file is created. Now we will load this hex file into our circuit. Double click on the controller and select the hex file. Here is the hex file. Open. OK, and click on run this simulation. You can see it will start counting from 9 to 1. In last video, we sent data one by one and that code was a 20 lines code, but in this video we are using array and we are using only 3-line code. That technique is more efficient than last video. You can see result is the same, but software technique is very different. Friends, if you have any problem in code, let me know in comments, and keep watching Star Technology 5G.